Hello! My name is Edwin Huits, and together with my son Martin and his favorite friend Sally the sheep, I present English on Fridays. In this show, we teach you real daily English, useful phrases, vocabulary, grammar, and songs for learning English. But we also teach you about certain cultural events and share all kinds of easy recipes with you. On top of that, you can see how my Japanese wife and I raise our son in 3 languages: English, Japanese, and Dutch. How you can learn any language, and how you can run your own business while still having time to play and have fun with your kids. Even if you're not interested in learning anything at all, it's enough fun to see Martin grow through this weekly program. So please subscribe to our channel and enjoy English on Fridays.